Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss the word problems based on the fractions. The word problems based on the fractions. So look upon the example that is given in your book also. Example number 10. The cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 42,000. Sorry, rupees 42 and half. The cost of 1 liter of milk is rupees 42 and half. Then find the cost of 6 and half liters of milk. Dear students, always remember that the pattern of the question will remain same in all the cases. Okay, whether you are solving the question of integer, you are solving the question of natural number, you are solving the question of rational number, or you are solving the question of fraction, decimal, anything, the pattern of the question will remain same. In this question also, the cost of 1 liter of milk is given. The given thing is fraction. Okay, and we need to find the cost of 6.5 liters of milk. 6.5 liter. The cost of 1 is given and we need to find the cost of more. So we will multiply. So the cost of 1 liter of milk is 42 and half. Then cost of 6.5 liters of milk will be more. Then we will multiply. Okay. So multiply 42 and half by 6 and half, and you know how to multiply fraction, and afterwards you will get your answer. Therefore the cost of 6.5 liters of milk will be 276 1 upon 4. How we multiplied? Convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction and then multiply the numerator by numerator, denominator by denominator, and again converted the fraction into the mixed fraction, improper into mixed fraction. So you have already done so many questions of same pattern. Cost of 1 is given, you need to find the cost of more. Okay, maybe datas will be changed. Sometimes the natural numbers are given. Maybe sometimes you found that decimals were given in your previous class also you are done. So always the pattern of question will remain same, only the datas will be different. Okay, you can look upon few more examples. Ria has rupees 500. And how many packets of pencil can she buy if the cost of one packet is rupees 8 1 upon 3? Now just suppose if you go to market and you have 500 rupees, you purchase pencils and the cost of one box of pencil is 50 rupees. And how many boxes you can buy? That will be 10. How do we get 500 divided by 50? So that is also similar question, but the thing changed is the one thing is given in fraction. The cost of one box of pencil is, one packet of pencil is rupees 8 1 upon 3. Then no need to be worried. We know how to divide in the fractions also. We have already learned about it, how to divide the fractions. Then what we'll do? Total amount with Ria is rupees 500. Cost of one packet of pencil is 8 1 upon 3, that will be 25 upon 3. The number of packets of pencil will be total amount divided by cost of one pencil. Okay, you know, I already given you one example that if you have 500 rupees, cost of one box of pencil is 50, then how many boxes you can buy? That is 500 divided by 50. Total amount divided by one cost of one packet. Okay, then 500 divided by 25 upon 3. You know how to divide the fraction. This divide will be converted into multiply and this number will be reciprocal, and then you can find. The next, Rajan cuts 75-meter long rope into several pieces of length 2.5 meter each. He had that much big rope, 75 meter, and he made pieces of 2.5 meters. Now just suppose you have 100-meter long rope. Just suppose, other question, you have 100-meter long rope and you cuts that rope into 10 meters pieces. And how many pieces you will get? 10 pieces. How do we get 100 divided by 10? The total rope divided by the length of each part, the length of each piece. Okay. Then similar question is the total rope is 75 meter length of each piece is 2.5 meter, then number of pieces will be the length of rope divided by length of each piece. Why do we divide it? I've given you one easy example also, that if you have 100-meter long rope, you cut it that rope into 10 meters pieces, then how many pieces you will get, how many number of pieces you will get, then we will divide. So here also we will do divide, but the thing changes that the question is given in fraction, but we no need to be worried because we know how to divide fraction. Okay, you can see the solution. Now come upon the exercise. The first question is similar to the previous example that I explained last. A rope is 3 and 3/7 meter low. It cut into 8 pieces of equal length. Then find out length of each piece. 8 pieces of equal length. Okay, then divide the total rope divided by number of pieces. Then you will get the length of each piece. Okay, so you have to divide there. In the second question, the cost of 6.5 kilogram of apples is rupees 520. Then what is the cost of 1 kilogram apple? Now here the cost of more is given and we need to find the cost of 1. If cost of 1 is given and we need to find more, then we multiply. But now the cost of more is given and we need to find the cost of 1. So we will divide. So you have to divide in the second question also. The third question, hint for that solution I given. A truck travel 471 3/4 kilometer in 18.5 hours. What is the distance traveled in 1 hour? Here also you can see the distance traveled in 18.5 hours is given. That means distance traveled in more number of hours is given and we need to find the distance traveled in 1. More to 1. Then we will divide. All the language and all I have already written. You can see the hint of that solution. The fourth question, by what number should 62/9 be multiplied to get 42? 62/9 is multiplied by a number. I don't know what is the number. No problem. Let the number is x. So 62/9 multiplied by a number x. So that the answer is 42 equals to 42. There was a number that is multiplied by 62/9 and the answer we got is 42. Okay, then 62/9 multiplied by x equals to 42. Convert this into improper, then 56/9 multiplied by x equals to 42. Okay, and then x will be equals to this is in multiply, will go into divide there, and 42 divided by 56/9. And the last question, it is also similar to the fourth. A number when divided by a number, when divided by, read the question properly, a number when divided by 7/1/6. I don't know what is the number. Let the number is x. Then x divided by 7/1/6 gives 15/7. You can see the solution. A number x is divided by 7/1/6 is equals to 15/7. We need to find x. So it is also very simple that first of all convert this improper fractions into this mixed fraction into improper fraction, and then this 43/6 is in divide will be transferred there into the multiply. It is in divide, will go into multiply, and after multiplication you will get your answer. Okay, so try to solve all the questions of this exercise. Okay, write all examples also in your notebook, and if you have any kind of doubt you can ask. Students, the questions are very simple. Try to solve, try to use whatever explanation I given, and you have to solve in your notebook. If still you have doubt, ask me. Thank you.